There's always a story. We got a call a little bit out of town for this Grand Marquis. The lady and her husband have used me several times within the past few years to pick up vehicles, which it's a little out of my area for pickup, but the winter before last, they had I don't even remember what it was. There was another one of these, and then there was a Ford truck, but they called me and said, the lady said, oh, we need heating oil real bad. It's right before Christmas, and so I decided to help out and go buy their junk off them, and it was late in the day. One day I was very busy, but I made it there anyway, and they were very happy, but you don't know whether they really needed oil or not. But I never did meet the lady, but she always is the one to message me, and then her husband is the one to come out and deal with me. So she said, oh, we got a Grand Marquis, real nice car. It's our family car. It still runs and everything, but we just need money. I said, okay, well, yeah, I'll buy it. Said, as long as it's got everything on it. Oh yeah, my husband said it's got the original cats and everything on it. Everything's there. It's a complete car. Got the title, everything. It's a 98, which that was really the only thing that she was truthful about. It's definitely a 98, but there was no title, which is okay because I don't need title for a 98 to scrap it. It's right now it's 2005 and newer. I need it, but the I remembered a Grand Marquis from the driveway when I was there before, and there was a pretty nice one there at one time, but I was kind of excited that maybe it was that one, but as you can see, it was not very nice. So anyway, the guy says, yep, and he never makes it easy for me. It's way behind a fence in between a camper, and I brought the ramp truck, and he said, geez, I thought you were bringing a trailer. Well, doesn't really make a difference. So anyway, he says, oh yeah, the only thing wrong with it is it needs an alternator, which alternator looks brand new on it. Still got the sticker, but don't know what's going on with that. He says, so as I look further, I go, well, okay, the key's in it and stuff, because he said it runs and drives, so I'm just gonna jump it and drive it right out of here and get it nice and straight with the truck. Just make it easier, right? Oh no, it's the shifter cable's broke. Oh, so there is more wrong with it. So he showed me then that he drove this car for a year, and this was his family car. And if you notice, instead of putting a shifter cable in it, he hogged a hole right in the floor, and he made this little piece of sort of like an aluminum window frame from the house, and that's how he shifted it. So I mean, hey, I guess give him credit. I don't imagine the shifter cable's an easy thing to do on this, but he did what he had to do. Oh, got an extra battery. It's $5. Brake caliper. Some shingles. That's nice. Picked up one or two other Grand Marquis, like I said before, from this guy's yard. He seemed to like them, but some of them were missing doors, and there's an extra door in there. So that's pretty much the story on it. I guess I can't complain. Had the factory cats on it. It's got some aftermarket coils. The old 4.6. They were pretty good. What's going on here? See, that sticker's still on that alternator, but seems like maybe that was off of something else, or we're missing something there. There's a big bracket. I don't know. But might as well see if it runs like he says. Runs real good. Guess that's gonna be a bit of a problem. Check it out. Hooked up. I noticed that's what's going on here. He tried to put an alternator from something else, I think, and made the belt too long, but see what happens anyway. Hopefully it's not in gear. Sounds like it's locked up. $171K. Now we're just getting crazy. 2 jump packs. Woo! You don't run so hot. Keep running. It's a good family car. Take it in, boys. She's in drive. She's ready to go. Take your family. Woo! .6 still going. Just purring. Drive her home.